to make sure that they come out looking like the footage you saw today. If you've been struggling to stay on track because your food is boring, this is the deep dive that you've been waiting for. I've spent thousands of hours in the kitchen and hundreds of dollars on fitness cookbooks, so you don't have to. I've reviewed dozens of cookbooks, thousands of pages, and seemingly hundreds of individual recipes, and let's be honest, most of them, they're kind of a one and done. You'll make them once, realize they taste like dry protein powder or cardboard, and they're never being made again. Let's be truthful here. But the 4 that I'm about to talk about today, these are the elite. These are the recipes that I actually keep on repeat in my own kitchen when the camera isn't rolling. So today, we're finding the absolute best recipe from the 4 kings of the macro-friendly kitchen. Greg Doucette, Will Tennyson, exercise for cheat meals, and flexible dieting lifestyle. We aren't just looking for good for a diet here. We're looking for the recipes that justify the price of the entire cookbook and the time and money it takes to get these recipes made in your kitchen. So we're looking for the ultimate meal prep, the best texture, and the flavor sensation that makes dieting for fat loss and muscle gain feel like a cheat code. If you've been struggling to stay on track because your food is boring, this is the deep dive that you've been waiting for. First up is the man who arguably started this entire movement, Greg Doucette. Now, Greg has a massive library of recipes in his cookbook. We all know the French toast, right? We've all seen the wraps, but for me, the Anabolic apple pie breakfast bake is the ultimate utility play in his entire arsenal of volume eating. Think about your typical meal prep, right? Usually by Wednesday, it gets a little sad, right? It gets soggy or it loses that fresh out of the oven punch. This bake is built so differently. The texture here is incredible. It has you feeling like you're truly eating a dessert apple pie for breakfast. Who doesn't want that? But without that sugar crash or the guilt that you might have. And the best part, honestly, the flavor, it stays exactly the same from Monday morning all the way to Friday. Greg's philosophy, it's always been about volume and satiety, right? So by using egg whites and high fiber bread, you're getting a massive, and I mean massive, portion size that fills the plate and the stomach. You won't believe how much volume when you make this, but it's the true apple pie feel, the way it caramelizes and sinks into the bread in the oven, that bridges the gap between what seems like a diet food and true comfort food. Greg's recipes aren't always about gourmet, right? They're about staying full so you don't ruin your progress at 9 p.m. at night. So if you're a busy person who needs to grab a square of breakfast and run out the door, this is the gold standard of meal prep. Moving on to Nick from Exercise for Cheat Meals. If Greg is the king of volume, well then Nick, he's the undisputed king of the authentic feel. When you look at his blueberry muffins, you aren't looking at a protein muffin. You aren't looking at a dry, rubbery ball of whey that's gonna be nasty. You're looking at something that honestly belongs in a high-end bakery window. It's the reps that he's put in on his recipes. This one in particular, Nick uses a specific hack that changes the entire experience. Lemon zest and a touch of raw sugar. That lemon zest, I'm telling you, provides a sharp citrus acidity that cuts through the artificial sweetness of the protein powder. It balances the palate in a way most fitness creators, they completely overlook. And the sprinkle of raw sugar on top, Boston came out there, it gives you that specific crunchy muffin top texture that is usually the first thing to go in healthy versions. It gives you that sharp bakery style flavor without ruining your macros for the entire day. Let's talk about that interior too. It's perfectly moist. It's light, it's airy. I've said it before and I'll say it again. If I gave this to my wife or my daughter without telling her it was anabolic or high protein, neither would even know. That is the standard the standard that we all should be aiming for. When you nail the wet to dry ratio like Nick does here, you forget you're even eating for a specific goal. You're just enjoying a world-class muffin. Now we move on to the man who makes dieting look like a full-time 24-hour cheat meal, none other than Will Tennyson. Whether you use the air fryer for that extra crunch or the oven for a slightly softer finish here, Will's apple fritter, it's a magical sensation of flavor. This is the literal definition of a craving crusher. I use the same concept for my blueberry fritter, and it worked to absolute perfection. Most people, when they start out on a fitness journey, they think they have to say goodbye to donuts and fritters forever. Well, Will proves that that's a lie. The glaze on these is absolutely authentic. The volume is massive, and it gives you that true fried sensation without the heavy oil or that 600 calorie price tag. When you compare the macros to a regular bakery fritter, it's an absolute game changer. There's no contest. A standard fritter is a calorie bomb that leaves you hungry an hour later. Will's version, it's going to give you twice the volume and the protein you need to actually recover. And Will understands that we don't just want to be full, right? We're moving beyond just being full here. We want to enjoy the process. We want the ritual of the treat. And we know Will's big into the ritual. This isn't just fuel. It's a psychological win that keeps your brain happy while your body gets lean. It's high volume, yes, it's high flavor, more importantly, and it's a total absolute game changer for anyone who struggles with a sweet tooth, especially come the evening. Finally, we have Zach from Flexible Dieting Lifestyle. He is truly the dessert specialist of the entire community, if we're being honest. I mean, his recipes speak for themselves. There's a reason he reposts this chocolate chip cookie recipe though, and it still pulls millions of views every single time. It's because the science behind it works. The design here is absolutely brilliant, and I want to focus on the psychology of it too. These cookies, they're small, yes, but that's by design. Why? Because if you eat one giant cookie, the experience is over in about 3 bites. But if you eat 5 of Zach's cookies for the same calories, you have 5 separate reward moments. That is a massive win for satiety and long-term adherence. The flavor and the texture, they're exactly what you want in a soft baked cookie. It's got that chewy center and the perfect chocolate to dough ratio. They're obviously high in protein and they're low calorie, 44 calories each, but they're 100% satisfying. Zach has mastered the art of the soft baked, and these cookies are the definitive evidence of that. There's no doubt. When you can sit down with a whole plate of cookies if you wanted to and realize you're still well within your macros, the diet, it ceases to feel like a restriction. It just feels like a lifestyle, pun intended. Believe me when I say you need to check out the deep dives on each of these recipes that I have done, and all the videos of these recipes that I've reviewed are listed in the description box down below. I'll put one of them up here for you to quickly check out. You need to know the nuances, the exact timing, and the little tricks to make sure that they come out looking like the footage you saw today. I recommend you check them all out. These are time tested and trusted, and you can make these with 100% confidence each and every time. I'll see you over there and in the next one. Bye.